come tie me up. Oh my gosh. Get out my way!
Hello everybody, we are here doing the Forever Studios Ship Kit Challenge. Me and Chrissy. Alright. We have to create the ship kit. Our items are somewhere in the area. The general thing is we have to create the ship kit. It needs the bubble wrap.
Oh, it needs, oh, okay.
Which we have. We have the bubble wrap. We have that. It needs the ship kit card. Inside the card has to be the labels, the return shipping label, and that's it. And then the card has to be folded up inside the envelope.
Okay.
That envelope goes inside the box with the bubble wrap.
Oh gosh.
And then we take the box closed, we slap on a sticker, that's it. The first person to get it done the quickest wins. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, mark
3,
something. Oh.
2, 1, go!
Going down, boy. Get out my way!
Hold on. Hey! Oh! Okay. Okay. All right. There. What's this? Wait, what is this stuff? What are we putting in here? Oh wait. Okay. Okay.
I can't get it in.
Wait. You're already at that far end. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go.
Bubble wrap. Oh yeah, bubble wrap.
Wait a minute. No, not bubble wrap. I'm not even. Oh yeah. Hey, where's my bubble wrap? It's okay. Yes, sir.
What?
I didn't take hers, right? If I didn't, screw it. It's mine now. Wait, I should not have this many. What is this?
Where's my damn tape gun?
You don't have your tape gun? I wanted to let you use mine, but I don't know. Here, use mine. I'm still gonna beat you though. You should have one though. What is this? Oh, okay. Wait, no, I think I need my tape gun. No, wait, no, I need it too.
Thanks, loser. My gun?
You need to put the sticker on the box as well. Finish it. Oh yeah.
We're waiting.
Okay, thanks, Chrissy, for screwing up the tape gun. Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's getting dark in here.
Wait, are you done?
Yeah, we're waiting on you.
Yeah, Mr.
Oh.
Shipper.
No wonder we're behind the orders.
Nice.
No, I just had this. The last one, the actual label.
Don't put it on upside down.
What do you mean?
2 hours later.
Let's go, I'm done. Yay! Alright, let me take them off. Oh, yours is better than mine.
Ow.
Oh, I forgot about the coupons. That's what it was, the coupons.
Mine's missing a label.
Mine's inside out.
Well, I would say he won because I forgot something. Mine's don't like
I
it when
won
stuff is
contents, you won speed. Yes. Thank you for watching. That's it.